I'm getting tattooed.
Y'all be pressed, don't stress now. Celebrate the wins and it's on to the next one. Flies that done did it, I be cozy when I'm dressed up. Drip down, they do not compare till I'm sit down. Stand on my business, that's how I'm getting down. Hey, stack it up quick, I'm tryna be safe and sound. No, you not on vibes, yeah, you know I been that guy. Yeah, you know all that shade, ain't gon' never block the shine. Yeah, I be shining like I'm supposed to, you might see me sliding in that old school, yeah, I ain't never asked for no favors, so if you ain't with me now, don't act like you was later. But when I leave, but you still support like a Raiders. So come with me, we gotta get to it, what we wait for. It's that feeling that you can't ignore, and I know when you can count on, I gotta say no more, it's me. What you mean? I'm the one that never front, I keep it G, I do it like that. Say too much when I'm in my zone. Yeah, I know what you want.
Okay, so I just left the studio. Oh my god, I came in at like 10 in the morning, 10:30, and it's currently like 6:30. I am in bits. I'm in so much pain. I don't know how much you actually got to see, got to witness. But girl, I am struggling to even walk right now. I came for one, ended up with 4 tattoos. My mom's gonna kill me. She's probably gonna kick me out. Yes, I am actually living with my parents again. I'm just gonna mention it quickly, but I was living with a friend. She turned out to be an absolute bitch and a horrible person. I know, it is what it is, you know, you live and you learn. You win some, you lose some, and I definitely lost one. Yeah, I went back to my parents for a little bit, just so I can save up and get back on my feet, see what I end up doing with life after. And it turns out I've decided to become a painting because I'm full of tattoos now. Full of tattoos. I'm not full of tattoos, you can't even see them, but you could. Right, I think I'm gonna get bubble tea right now. I am craving it massively. We're here. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. I don't think this is the one I usually get because it's a bit different. It's just the chunks are different. They're not the usual boba. You see it? Right, so it's a little bit later. I've come over with somebody to have a buffet. We're gonna have some Chinese buffet. I ordered some sushi because I'm really craving it, but I'm like, will I? I had a poke bowl today. So I'm like, she's had a bit enough. Oh, look at my hair. It's been a long day. But the tattoos are great. It's one of those like places where it's like fresh buffet. So you just order as much as you want and then they make it for you. So, you know, very excited, very hungry. I'll show you what we get. The service was absolutely incredible. We're gonna leave a review. It was very, very nice. It looked like we went to a Karen's restaurant. They were so fed up and so tired. Like, it looked like all of the staff was on their day off. And then they were forced to come in. But, you know.
Bringing the plates and being like, here.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Boom. Just shoving the plates in there.
You want to pay?
Table.
You have to wait.
She was fuming that we asked for the bill. But you know, the food was good. I'm very, very full. Very, very tired. He's loving my new tattoos.
We love it.
We love it.
All of them.
All of them. Especially art deco. Oh.
The next day.
A little bit of thermal water. Honestly, I'm just so stressed this December. It just feels like it's never ending. I never have time for me. Like the whole moving situation, I did like a little Q&A on Instagram and that was like the most asked question, like, why did you move? So I'm gonna talk about it properly next week. So yeah, honestly, it's just been a really difficult month, December. Like with all the changes, the moving, the going to the UK, spending so much money. I feel like I got a job, I finally have like the chance to save, but I've got so much debt, so many things I have to pay for. And then maybe it was like a silly move going to the UK, but I really wanted to do it. It felt like the right thing to do. And obviously I don't regret it. I just regret my bad decisions, my literal poor decisions. You know, I need to learn to save money. That's like my big thing that I do need to learn in 2024 is to save up for situations like the ones that I've been given. Like, I didn't think I was gonna get kicked out of a place. I didn't think I would have to move so fast. I didn't think any of the things that have happened to me the past month would have happened. And now it's come to Christmas and I'm like, ugh, can I even afford to like get people gifts? Because I'm literally a little bit broke right now. And I've stopped a lot of my OnlyFans work, which I have to just get back into. But, you know, it's just getting back into everything right now, it feels like. Does anybody know where my concealer is? Because I don't know. And I cannot afford to not do concealer today because look at my face. This eyeliner is so dry. It's gone dry. I can't believe it. I'm actually so upset. Oh my god, we have barely spoken about the tattoos. I feel like I could do I have enough tattoos now to make like my tattoo story or like my tattoo tour to like talk about all of my tattoos? Is that cool anymore? Is that something you guys would like to see? I just got the Sailor Moon tattoo, which I really like. I really liked Sailor Moon growing up and I do feel like I identify myself with her. Like, I'm like, oh, it's so me and Bedette, like me and my cat. And she was so like lonely and he was always there for her. Me. But no, I do like Sailor Moon. It's not like this one. I think not all of my tattoos have a lot of meaning to them, but I try to make them have meaning. This one, just like genuinely, I loved it. And my tattoo artist really wanted to do it. So I was like, fuck it, let's do it. Then I obviously got Fearless. Da-na-na-na-na. Go on, Taylor. I got this just for Taylor Swift's birthday. Not just for that, but I got this on Taylor Swift's birthday. Queen. And I got Art Deco on my knees. My favorite Lana Del Rey song. You know, I got a few things. Like I said, if you want a tattoo tour and like the meaning behind everything, do let me know. I'm down for that, for sure. So yeah, now I'm getting ready to literally try the biscuits. So they've probably cooled off. Then I gotta finish Lena's thumbnail. I edit my friend Lena's videos. I'm her editor. So I've edited her new video, but I still have to do the thumbnail, which takes a while. So I have to do the thumbnail. I'm probably gonna do it on the way to work because it's currently 4:27 p.m. and I start work at 5:30. So I have to leave in like 15-20 minutes. So yeah, this is very not my shade at all. Very bad match. I don't know if you would be interested also in like makeup again. I used to do makeup back in the day. Do you guys want me like, I know right now I'm being rushed and this is like my going to work super quick 15-minute makeup routine, but would you be interested in like makeup videos again? I can do those. I want to start like now that it's not so hot here in the Canary Islands and I can wear makeup again. I want to start wearing it. So let me know if that's something that you would want to see from me. I want to start using my makeup again. I feel like all of it is going out of date and I have so much makeup. So if that's something that you would like to see, again, feel free, because I want to use up my makeup. So I think I'm just going to use the tint and just kind of call it a day. Just very natural, work vibe with brown eyeliner, but hey, no one's even going to see it. I think it's just for me, really. Genuinely think Essence lip liners are my favorite. Just a tad. Proceeds to like cover the whole lip. Just to like bronze up a little bit. let's go check the cookies or the biscuits, whatever you want to call them. And these are the biscuits with all the Christmassy shapes. They look really good. Some of them got burnt. They're not burnt, they're a bit toasted. But you know, they still taste great, I think. Let's give them a go. Obviously the heart shape. Right guys, so this is gonna be the end of this week's Vlogmas. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think it's been very complete. We've done many things. I don't know how much I've got because I've had like 35,000 breakdowns, but I hope you've enjoyed it. So please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, and don't forget to stay sexy. Bye-bye.